Today we'll be looking at combustion reaction. Firstly, what is a combustion reaction? A combustion reaction, from the name itself, something combusts. So, a combustion reaction is a chemical reaction in which a substance, let's take the substance as fuel, a substance reacts with oxygen and produces heat and light. So during every combustion reaction, there will be a production of either heat or light when a substance is burnt with oxygen. Where did this oxygen come from? Whenever you light a fire, the fire needs oxygen to be sustained. Thus, that oxygen came from the atmosphere. Now let's see it with a common example. The common example of combustion is the burning of methane. So if you don't know, methane's formula or chemical formula is CH4. And now, remember this equation to get all the combustion reactions. So now, methane plus oxygen. Oxygen gives us CO2 plus heat and light. Now, how many hydrogens as well as water? Now, how many hydrogen is there on the right side? 2. So and here 4. So we add 2 here to make it balanced. Now when you add 2 here, there is 2 increase or 2 amount of oxygen increase as well. So you add 2 here. Now look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2, 4, 4. So this is the complete equation for the burning of methane. Now this is a complete combustion. Why is it a complete combustion? It is complete because there is no more remains. All that is present is carbon dioxide, H2O, and heat and light. Next, what are the types of combustion reaction? There are mainly 3. Rapid combustion. Rapid combustion is when something burns very quickly. For example, LPG on a gas stove. So LPG burns up very quickly, and what happens there is rapid combustion. The second type of combustion is spontaneous. Just as the name, again, quick, but it starts on its own without any external heat. And remember, external heat is a very important term in spontaneous combustion. So spontaneous combustion is combustion that starts on its own without any external heat. For example, white phosphorus. So we know when phosphorus is kept outside, it lights up very quickly, producing white flames. That is an example for spontaneous combustion. Next and last type of combustion is explosive. Just as the name, explosive. What do you think when the word explosive is told? A firecracker. So very fast reaction. So it is rapid and it produces heat, light, sound and gas. So any rapid reaction or any rapid combustion with the production of heat, light, sound and gas is called as explosive combustion. And just like before, the example is firecrackers. What are the necessary things that are needed for combustion, or what are the conditions that are definitely needed for combustion? They are fuel, oxygen and temperature. Temperature is represented by a triangle. Now, how do you remove a fire or how do you stop combustion? You can stop combustion. One way is when you cut out oxygen, because fire needs oxygen to sustain. Or you can bring down the temperature, that is lesser temperature, the fire can be controlled. Or finally removing the fuel. Then all these will not happen. This is how you can control a fire. And finally, I've said over here there is something called as complete combustion. So what is incomplete combustion? Incomplete combustion is a reaction in which instead of carbon dioxide, CO is produced. CO is called as the carbon monoxide. And carbon monoxide is very toxic to humans as well as the atmosphere. So CO is a poisonous gas. So whenever in a combustion reaction CO is produced, it is incomplete combustion. This is all about combustion reaction. If this video helped you to understand this concept clearly and thoroughly, please like and subscribe to this video, and thank you for watching.